Welcome back, Moon Boys. Today we're going to be going over a very quick tutorial on how to use the Phemex exchange. It is extremely easy, and if you've ever done spot or derivatives trading before, then this will be like second nature to you. But first things first, you will see this screen, and all you do is put in your email and create a password, and then you will have access to the site. And if you do that simple sign up using the link in my description, you're also eligible for an extra over $4,000 deposit bonus for when you trade or buy altcoins, whether it's spot or derivatives trading. So make sure to check that out below. It is absolutely free. There's no point in using a link that does not have the extra bonuses like the one below. So basically, once you get into the site, this is what it looks like. I actually have some open trades, and I'll show you here in a second, but this is the interface. It looks fairly simple. You have markets here, which is the main thing you're going to be looking at, contract and spot. So if you're going to be spot trading or contract trading, that's where you'll go. And then if you go to select market, this is where you will decide what you want to do. You know, say you want to trade Bitcoin with Bitcoin margin. This is where you would trade. If you want to trade Bitcoin with USD margin, so using USD as collateral, that's where you trade, and so on and so forth. You know, say you want to use Ethereum, you have the options to trade with Ethereum or USD. With the Ethereum pair. So that is just the beginning of your options, but it really is simple enough. So if we take a look and we pull back to my screen here, you can see I actually have a few open trades, and you can see I have an ADA, BTC, and Ethereum trade. You can see the size. I have the values and everything like that blurred out, but you can see what's under margin is basically how much of your money you're using, and then the value is multiplied times whatever your trade is. So for example, if you have $100 and you're using a 3x trade, your value would be 300, right? And that'll show here. Here's your liquidation price, which if the price goes below this point, this is where your position will be closed out and you will lose. However, you know, if the price is going down, and say for example you're longing, if you continuously add entries as it's going down, this will actually further push your liquidation price down and down. So a lot of people sometimes get scared about liquidation prices. However, technically, if you keep funding the account and keep DCAing to the downside, if you're longing and it keeps going down, then you actually can keep your position over theoretically forever, right? So this liquidation price changes with every trade that you enter and add to the trade. For example, I have a lot of extra active orders. You know, say for example, if we go here to Ethereum, if Ethereum goes down below a certain price, it'll actually trigger and buy more. And you can see what these orders are right here. So those are active. They're just waiting to get filled if the price goes down. So that makes it kind of fun and exciting. You know, I'm long, but if the price goes down, I have these orders set so that I will continuously DCA basically at lower and lower prices, which further pushes my liquidation price down, further pushes my entry price down, which is right here, from the market price. And then as you can see, all of these trades are currently in profit. So unrealized P&L is how much money I would make if I exited the trade right now. And then realized P&L is basically the fees that you pay for funding and things like that. And for example, if I took 50% profit on my trade, it would show here under realized P&L. So yeah, I'm in profit currently. If I close all these out, that's what that would be. But yeah, really, if you want to do this, it's very simple. You would go to your assets, and there is an option to deposit your funds, and it's that simple. You hit deposit, and then you send it to the address just like any other transaction. It usually only takes a few minutes. It's very quick, very seamless. And then if you want to withdraw it, you know, say you make $1 trillion and you want to take it off and put it in your hardware wallet, you hit withdraw and you can send it out there. So simple enough. And this just shows you your total assets of your account. Very easy right there. But the two main ways of trading are limit and market orders. Limit is exactly what I showed you here. See these green prices these green buy orders that if Bitcoin goes down to these prices, they will fill. That is what a limit order is. So I have like 6 or 7 limit orders just with this asset right here. So you just put in the price. You can move this slider or type in exactly how much you want to use of your existing money, your existing crypto in your account, and then you hit long basically, and that will do it for you. Simple enough. And then if you just want to buy right now, you don't care what the price is right now, you just want to long or short the market right now, you can just hit market and it'll fill the order at the price that it is right now. So, say Bitcoin is $20,000 and I think it's going up to 30. I don't care if it goes to 20, 1,000 or 19,000. I think it's going up, so I'm just going to buy right at 20,000. I don't really care about the price. That is an example of when you would use a market order. So yeah, the two main ways people trade are limit and market orders. They're extremely simple, and really, that's basically it, all there is. And remember, if you do want to get the trading bonuses, make sure to sign up with the link in the description below. You get an additional over $4,000 deposit bonuses, and in future videos, sometimes I even have better bonuses. But this is actually the best bonus I think that I've ever had, and it's available for Phemex right now. Very big.